Ever wondered about the process of filing forms related to mortgages or foreclosures? Well, today we will unravel the mystery behind it. The first step involves filing the 1099-A, 1099-B, and 1099-C forms as the debtor. Remember, you signed the note or promissory note as the debtor. When filling these forms, align all information from the date the note was signed. The amount on the promissory note and the fair market value should not be lower than the principal amount. Don't forget to include your account information in the appropriate box on the forms. Next, file the 1099-C. This form comes in 4 pages, but the other party recipient only gets the first and fourth pages. Follow this with the 1099 INT. A word of caution here, you always want to be the payer on the NEC, whereas on the 1099 INT, the other party is the payer, so in one sitting, you should file 5 1099. EATS, that's 1099A, 1099B, 1099C, 1099 NEC, and 1099 INT. The second step comes 2 days later or thereafter. File the second 1099A as the lender. All the information remains the same, but this time, check the corrected box. If you forgot to do this, don't worry about it. You might be wondering about extra 1099S. If you bought your home from a developer, it's good practice to file and record with the IRS. This will capture the essence of the transaction with the developer. However, this is not advised if you bought the home from a private owner, unless you suspect suspicious activity. It's important to note that this process captures the note you signed, but it doesn't include the payments you made afterward. You can file additional 1099 NEC and 1099 INT for every year to record with the IRS. If you're filing in the year 2023, use the 1099 MSC for the year 2023. In summary, the process of filing forms for mortgages or foreclosures involves 2 main steps. First, you file the 1099-A, 1099-B, 1099-C, 1099 NEC, and 1099 INT as the debtor. 2 days later, you file the second 1099-A as the lender. Always remember to include your account information and ensure the fair market value is not lower than the principal amount on the forms. And remember, additional forms can be filed for each year to capture your payments. Navigating the world of mortgages and foreclosures can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, you can sail through it smoothly. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, so take that step today and start filing your forms. It's not as hard as it seems.